Oh, right there. I don't know. We should try it right now or not. Or we'll try it eventually. Because a sponsor reached out, and FridayParts, I believe. We'll get the carburetor box and everything out here in a minute. I'll show you what they sent me. Okay, guys. There's a box that came in. I had already opened it. It was packaged really well with a lot of bubble wrap and tape and stuff. They want me to show this. I guess this is their logo. FridayParts. Fix it once, fix it right. Like I said, okay. Like I said, this was all bubble wrapped up. This is all bubble wrapped up inside here. I believe that's for the electric choke. Let's put stuff up here for now. Whole baggie full of bolts, mounting bolts, clamps, fittings, washers, nuts, everything there. So they give you everything. A lot of carburetors don't come with nothing. Okay, so, and a fuel filter. Okay, I think it is a complete knockoff of this one. So the lines go in there and in there. I mean, I guess these are like little sight glasses so you can see. Okay, guys, pretty simple to hook up, and then this'll work. But later on, you know, whenever this engine and stuff is ready to go in a car, it's going to be on the road. Yeah, we're going to replace well, I guess that's just a hose from there to there. We'll replace that hose and stuff. We'll do all that later and get redo this, possibly doing that. So let's try it. I poured some gas down both float bowls there. Started right up. Okay, let me let it run for a minute and see if I get that idle down a little bit lower. Because I can't have it putting it in gear and having it move real fast. No brakes. I'll be back in a minute.
FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.